listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Jack County in north central Texas, western Wise County in north central Texas, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bridgeport, Jacksboro, Briar, Springtown, Chico, Bryson, Pooville, Paradise, Fort Richardson State Park, Lake Bridgeport, Sunset, Runaway Bay, Perrin, Cundiff, Wizard Wells, Vineyard, Lost Creek Reservoir, Joplin, and Crafton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.